Do you think people are okay to change themselves quite a lot also for love?
It depends on the person. Like, I'm very fine changing
But
myself
is it
to an
healthy?
extent.
Do you think after
Yes,
a few months or few years, their old patterns will come back and now they will become what is called toxic?
it depends what pattern it is, no?
Uh,
Like, it's fine. So I've been what you call the toxic boy in all my 20s, right? But I was very clear that I'm going to be honest every time. I never did false commitment that I love you, I'm going to get married, yeah, we're going to date. वो कभी नहीं था. So I have zero fear of judgment at this point. Now, when I turned 28 and I worked on my traumas and everything, I realized that all I ever wanted was just love that I never received. So अब इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि मेरे वो जो 20 थे वो बेकार थे. I would live it again. मेरे को
Now
कोई
you're in
प्रॉब्लम
your
नहीं है.
30s, early
Now I'm
30s.
32, right?
Yeah.
28, 29 I started dating and I was like, यार, actually I've done enough of hookups. सब कुछ हो गया है. I want to be with some person now, right? So now I am with some person. अब वो patterns वापस आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे वो person to person depend करता है. But it's just I'm going 2 years strong and I mean um, things are fine. I haven't cheated abhi tak, so I think usse better kuch nahi. I haven't broken up. We've had issues, but I have never, you know, and I will not like if I'm in a relationship with a girl, it's her call to date me or not or someone like me. If somebody tells you that if so my reputation is I'm a dating coach, would be like and I've been with girls, I go to clubs, I party and everything. Now it's on you if I am for you or not. और वो बहुत क्लियर है मैं अपने आप को चेंज नहीं कर रहा बट मैं बता रहा हूँ दैट यू नो इफ यू ट्रस्ट मी एंड दिस कैन बी अ गैम्बल that if you trust me, I will not cheat on you. Yeah, I will be loyal and I will be faithful, but it's always a gamble. So my girlfriend has trouble understanding my you know because of my past and because of the work I do, and I don't blame her for that. I don't want her to 100% be like fine because being very realistic, if you're dating me, you have to be a bit cautious. वो कभी भी हो सकता है, but I know myself एंड आई नो दैट आई विल नेवर डू इट. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत क्लियर है. अब अगर कभी होता है बाद में लाइक आई एम समवन राइट नाउ पता चले 1 साल बाद मैं ही चीट कर रहा हूँ एंड देन सारी जगह न्यूज़ हो गया दिस पर्सन चीटेड पॉडकास्ट में बोल रहा था ये वो व्हाटएवर एंड दैट्स आल्सो अ पॉसिबिलिटी बट टाइम विल ओनली टेल. तो ये रिस्क रहता ही है एंड दैट्स व्हाट लव इज. यू ऑलवेज जंप इनटू इट विदाउट अ रोप टू कैच यू.